Well,
Where's this all
let
going?
me just finish this thought that we've got here.
Okay.
And I totally agree with the general, unless HP would like to go into a war zone and set up a shop there. And that, the piece that's going to put this together, and is a problem right now for these centralized services, is that network. I mean, it's great when you're sitting in a federal office building with multiple megabytes of connectivity to get back to a main data center to get your email. Try that aboard a Coast Guard cutter in the Bering Sea in 40-foot waves when all you're living off is a 512 kilobit per second, KU band satellite. That piece there is still a problem, which means we're going to have forward deployed capability that asynchronously probably links back to these data centers. So again, it's a tailoring of those services. So let's get to the future. So the future in 5 to 10 years from now, as an operator on the front lines, and I need a new capability, I'm basically going to be able to go to an enterprise catalog or a console and say, I need this, I need it now, and I only need it for these 10 days. Somewhere back in the, and literally it's going to be no different than me going on to the internet now saying, I want a Google Plus account, I want this much storage in the cloud to go with it, oh, I want video conferencing with that, and those types of capabilities. We're going to be able to provision that because it's going to go back, that request will go back into some federated capability where it will get sorted out by these folks, this new group of people who are going to translate mission requirements and look at the plethora, whether it be federal, whether it be from the private sector, and they're going to figure out what is the right mix to solve that equation.
There'll be an app for that.
There'll be an app for that, and that's where the value add is going to be. And we've talked about it numerous times, is the contracting mechanisms behind that are not today's contracting mechanisms.
Right.
They're going to be essentially prearranged that this capability is there for this price, and then you can order against it. So that's going to be a paradigm shift that is going to have to occur. But in the future, for us to be successful in that type of environment, that shift is going to have to be there. Because that's what our users want. They see the consumerization of the way things are now. And, I can buy on demand from Comcast cable and watch my television show.
Right.
And I understand automatically what it's going to cost me as soon as I push, I bought it. Mm-hmm. We need the same capabilities in terms of provisioning services that we provide now, such that it's not this 18, 24-month cycle of, looking for a CLIN and seeing if it fits. They're already understood, and we know if we hit buy, you just bought it.